If you're using an Apple iPhone, sometimes every photo and video in the Photos application will be backed up to iCloud. If you don't want to back up photos and videos in the Photos application, you can disable that setting only. In this video, we'll be telling about how to do that. For this, open Settings. When you're opening Settings, above you can see your name or your phone's name. Click on that. After that, down here you can see the iCloud option. Click on iCloud. And when you're clicking on that, here you can see Save to iCloud. Click on this. And when you're clicking on that, here you can see iCloud Photos. You need to select that because we want to disable only this iCloud Photos backup. So I'm selecting this, and after that, here you can see Sync this iPhone. Sometimes it'll be turned on. That's why it's backing up to iCloud. If you don't want, you need to disable that. After turning off, photos and videos in the Photos application will not be saved to iCloud. And another method is that, open Settings. When you're opening Settings, you can see the General option. Click on General, and here you can see one option, iPhone Storage. Click on iPhone Storage, and here you can see the Photos app. Click on Photos.
When you're clicking on that, here you can see iCloud Photos. If it's enabled, here you can see the Disable option. You need to click on Disable. When you're clicking on that, that will be disabled. A pop-up message will come. There you can turn it off. And when it's off, here you can see the Enable option. Anyways, after that, iCloud Photos backup will be disabled. So this way you can easily disable this setting. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.